Hello class 2. In today's class we are going to start new chapter from science, that is chapter 9, air. We need air. Air is present all around us. We cannot see air but only we can feel its presence. Human beings, plants and animals, they all need air to live. Without air, living beings cannot survive. So class 2, we all know that we breathe air through our nose. Understood? So we cannot live without air. And we can only feel it. Okay? We can only feel the presence of air when it moves. We cannot see air. Understood? We can only feel it. Human beings, plants and animals, they all need air to live because they are living things. Okay? They breathe. So that is why they need air to breathe, to live. Okay? Without air, living things cannot live, cannot survive in this world. So now the air that we breathe, what does air contain? Okay, air contains water vapor, smoke, dust, germs. Okay, air contains water vapor. After washing clothes, we hang them out in the sun to dry. The clothes become dry in a few hours. Where does the water from the wet cloth go? So children, did you ever notice that when we wash our clothes or after washing our clothes, we hang that clothes out in the sun, isn't it? To let it dry. But do you ever notice that where does the water from the wet clothes go? Of course, it goes in the air. But how? The heat of the sun changes the water present in the wet cloths into water vapor. The vapors mix with the air. So, how it turns into water vapor? The heat of the sun, okay, the heat of the sun presence in the clothes, okay, and that wet clothes, the clothes is wet, so that water changes into water vapor and mix with the air. Okay, the sun's heat also changes the water in the ponds, lakes, rivers and seas into water vapor. So like this, from ponds, lake, rivers and seas, when the heat of the sun goes into the ponds, lakes, rivers and ponds, the water heated up and the water vapor forms out and it goes and mixes with the air. Understood? So that is called water vapor. So that is why our wet clothes get dry in the sun. Next one is air contains smoke. Smoke means, you can see the pictures, smoke comes out from the vehicles. Okay, some gases are coming out from vehicles, some gases are coming out from vehicles, that is called smoke, which makes the air dirty. Okay, similar type of gases also comes out from factories. This is smoke which get mixed with the air and makes it dirty. Burning of firecrackers also gives off smoke. Breathing in smoke harms our body. So some gases which comes out from the vehicles, that is called smoke, and like this the gases which comes out from the factories, it also mixes with the air. So that is why it shows that air contains smoke. Okay, and that smoke mix with the air and makes the air dirty, which is harmful for us to breathe. Okay, so next one is air also contains dust. Dust is a small particles. Okay, so next one is air contains germs. You know germs which make us sick. Okay, air also contains germs When a person sneezes, germs from his nose with the air, so we should always cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. Smoke, dust and germs make the air dirty. Inhaling dirty air makes us sick. So children, air also contains germs, okay? So that is why we should always cover our mouth and nose when we sneeze or cough, okay? And dirty air make us sick. Next one is fresh air. Now, so up to here, I hope you all have understood that air contains smoke, dust, germs and and water vapor, okay? So now last one is fresh air. Why we need fresh air? The air we breathe in should be clean and fresh. The air that we breathe in, okay, that should be fresh and clean. Otherwise dirty air make us ill. Fresh air keep us healthy. So if we breathe in fresh and clean air, it make us healthy and strong. Plants help to keep the air clean and fresh. Then so children, what helps the air to clean and fresh? Of course, plants. Understood? So we should play in open areas that are surrounded by plants such as parks and playgrounds. We should let in fresh air into our homes through doors and windows. So children, we all know that plants make the air fresh and clean. So that is why we should play in areas that are surrounded by plants, okay, such as parks and playgrounds. We should let in fresh air into our homes through doors and windows. So children, we should always breathe fresh and clean air. Okay, dirty air make us ill. Next one is breeze and storm. Breeze is a gentle wind. Okay, so very pleasant and gentle wind is called breeze. Okay, storm is a strong wind that blows very fast. So pleasant wind, gentle wind is called breeze, and strong wind is called storm, okay, that blows very fast than breeze. A powerful storm can damage trees, houses, crops and vehicles. It can cause big trees and electric poles to fall. So a powerful storm can damage lot of things, like it damages crops, houses and electric poles to fall, okay, and vehicles also. It also damages vehicles. Very strong wind is called a gale. So a strong wind is called storm and very strong wind is called gale. Understood?